So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in a Figma block inside of Notion. So to go ahead and do that, type in / and type in Figma right here, and then you can go ahead and add in a Figma link as well. So to do that, let me just go ahead and go to figma.com right here and sign into my account with a project that I have right here. So now once I go ahead and do that, let me just go ahead and log in, and let me just go ahead and continue with my Google account itself right here. So now if I were to go ahead and then continue right here just like this, then I am authenticated, as you can see right here. And now I have some Figma projects that I want to share. Let's say, for example, this project right here. So let's just go around over here onto the menu project right here, just like this. Let's access this out. And this is what you have. So now let me just go ahead and let's say, for example, copy out its link right here. Let me copy this out and paste out the link and then link it out. So I need to connect my Figma to update the link. So I'm just going to go around over here and allow the access to Figma for Notion. So let's just go ahead and do that right here. And once you do that, it is actually updating, as you can see right here. And then there's the block that has been updated right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead right here, type in Figma right here, just like this. You can go ahead onto embeds, and then you can go ahead and share the prototype as well. So let's just go around, copy out this link right here as well, and then link it out. And once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. And you can go ahead and then reload out the preview as well. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. You got the details from menu right here, and then you got access to these, as you can see right here, just like this as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then utilize the Figma block inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.